everybody, Jason from JTV Live. Today I got a quick video for you. I'm going to show you how to get your pre-made store-bought pizza dough prepared and ready to go into the Bighorn pizza oven. To get this done, we just need a few things. A little bit of olive oil, something to cut our dough with. I like using a dough blade, but if you don't have one of these, a knife will work just fine. We're going to need a little bit of flour for working our dough, and then we're going to need some bowls to put each ball in. That way they have plenty of room to expand in the refrigerator and then later on the counter. Last, some plastic wrap to cover them up. Let's get started. So first off, I like to put the dough on the counter for about an hour. That way it gets a little bit easier to work. Get the plastic off. Dust the counter with a little bit of flour. Get our dough down. Now this is a 1 pound dough ball. This will make about a 14-inch pizza. 1 pound's about 454 grams. We want something closer to 220-ish grams to make 11 to 12-inch pizzas inside the Bighorn. So we're just gonna cut it right in half. Then simply work your ball by pulling the dough across the top and to the bottom and pinch it. With a twisting, cutting motion, we can make that seam on the bottom and set it down. Do the same thing for the second ball. Now we'll grab one of our bowls, a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. Roll the dough around. You want to coat the dough in the oil so it doesn't dry out in the fridge. Now we just gotta wrap these tightly in plastic wrap, get them in the fridge. And that's all there is to getting store-bought dough ready for the Bighorn pizza oven. I like to leave it in the fridge overnight and then put it on the counter for a good 3-4 hours before I'm ready to make my pizzas. If you wanted to use this dough today, just don't put it in the fridge. Leave it on the counter for 3-4 hours and you'll have perfect little dough balls that will work out into a nice round pizza. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.